Do you want to know?
Hello everyone! Welcome to Ruby's Small Kitchen. So today I'm going to cook sizzling pork tofu sisig, or just only pork tofu sisig. So these are our ingredients. We have here pork ear, and we have here pork snout, and boiled pork meat, and fried chicken liver, and this is our tofu. I already fried it, and we have here liquid seasoning, and we have here egg just only for our toppings, and onion, and we have here soy sauce, ground black pepper, vinegar, and this one for our toppings is scallion. So let's go and prepare our ingredients. So the first thing we should do is to slice our pork, and later on we're going to stir fry it. We need to cut our pork ears, pork snout, even our pork meat, and the onion and the scallion into a small dice, as small as like this, so that it's easy to chew. So easy to cook sisig because it will take only 4 to 5 minutes when you're stir frying it, but the preparation will take time, because what I did, I just boiled the pork snout, pork ears, and pork meat first, and then after that I deep fry our meat. As you can see, it's already fried because I fried it earlier. This sisig can be our food for our breakfast, lunch, and also for our dinner. Shout out po pala sa aking mga friends there in the Philippines. Ito na yung inyong request, yung aking sisig na matagal nyo nang hinihiling na ituro ko sa inyo yung aking recipe. So ito na po. Shout out po sa inyo kila Maribel Monderin, Lovely, Cheryl, kay Marlene, Burak family, kay Sili, and especially po sa aking family, si Nini, Eya, Glenn, and si Iva. Kumusta kayo? So ito na po yung ating pork ears and pork snout. Susunod po nating hiwain itong ating pork meat. Ganon din po ang hiwa. Pare-pareho lang po ang laki. Ida-dice po natin. Okay. We're done to our pork meat. So next is our chicken liver. Same like we cut this one. Same like the pork. I'm going to put it here together with the pork meat. Next is sour onion. Pareho lang din po ang kanyang paghiwa. I-dice lang po natin siya or chop. Ito pong may roots ng ating onion leeks or scallion. Itabi po natin kasi pwede natin siyang itanim. So para hindi na po tayo bibili ng ating scallion. Mahal pa naman ang scallion. Ganyan lang po ito. Kasi pang toppings lang po. Tapos, ito naman, i-dice din natin. Okay. So, we're done of slicing or chopping our ingredients. Some of our ingredients. So, let's go to our next steps or preparations. So our next preparation is to saute, and let's turn on our stove into a medium flame. So the oil is already hot, so now we can put our onion. So lagay na po natin ang ating pepper. Now let's add our meat and saute it for a minute. Add our pork snout, liver, chicken liver, and pork ear. Just mix it so that they can combine together. Now we can add our soy sauce. Our vinegar. Just let the vinegar simmer for a while para hindi hilaw yung ating suka. Like for 1 minute also. Liquid seasoning. Ayan. Smells like yummy. Liquid seasoning add flavor to our dishes. Pampabango, pampasarap. So, pwede na po nating haluin. Luto na po yan. okay na po ito. Para mas lalong okay, ang huli nating ilagay ay ang fried tofu. Sarap. Yummy. For our sizzling pork tofu sisig, we need a sizzling plate. So what we're gonna do is just to heat the sizzling plate. So make it hot. Tada! So here's now our sizzling pork tofu sisig. We're done cooking. And this one is the regular pork tofu sisig. Careful lang po sa ating sizzling plate because it's too hot. So, haluin lang po natin. Since na mainit yung ating sizzling plate, maluluto na po yung egg. So, as you can see, naluluto na yung egg. Ayan. So, masarap pong samahan ng fried rice ang sisig, kaya ginawa ko fried rice ako, pero masarap din po siya sa plain rice. So let's eat na po. Tikman natin yung ating sizzling sisig. Kailangang hipan. Yummy! Sarap! So, kain na po tayo. Tayo ng mananghalian or kung dinner, breakfast. So, thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.